guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but your girl got sick. My kids got a virus, which then I ended up getting the virus too, and it was terrible. So your girl is trying to get back into the things of recording. So your girl is trying to record again and stuff. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to have that notification bell on. That way when I'm posting, you guys get notified and stuff. So today's video, we're going to go into Marshalls. I'm super excited to see what new items they have. I feel like this time around, like this spring, summer season, they just start putting all the new things out and I just love it. So if you love shopping at Marshalls or you just love these types of videos, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's go inside. Okay, they don't really have much on the shoes. I did find these kitten heels here. They are from Bandolino. $30. Trying to see if we see some other stuff that we haven't looked at before. I have these Converses. Charlie. These are for $30. Okay, they're for $40. Yeah, got these Anne Klein heels for $30. That's pretty. Dirty, Jessica Simpson. I think we've seen these sandals before. These are really pretty. They're for $20. One thing they will definitely have is a whole bunch of Crocs. These are for $24.99. They have different colors too. Some Calvin Klein sandals for $20. They even have the kids Crocs. Oh, these are nice. These are for $24.99. And they have a whole bunch of Hello Kitty sandals for $12.99. And then we have some Bluey, $12.99. I gotta show you my outfit of today. TJ Maxx is the top. And then the bottoms, the skirt is from Marshalls. It's a two-piece set. And then the bag is from Marshalls. Okay, I ended up buying these. And I absolutely love these. These are for $24.99 from Hot Hippie. And I love these sandals. They're so cute, especially with the scalloped material or design, I guess I should say. So cute. Some Reeboks. These are for $40. These are size 8.5 over here. They seem to have more of a selection in the bigger sizes. This is, I'm not sure what this is. This is for $30. Okay, I'm still on a hunt for this yellow bag. This, it's not what I'm looking for. It's Betsy Johnson. It's cute. Let's see how much it is for. This is for $24.99. Then they have this mustardy kind of color bag from Hot Hippie, and it is for $40. It's like that slouchy bag. I'm surprised they still have this bag here. Just want to take a quick peek at the hats. Little beaded flowers. And then look at these ones with a seashell for $10. And they have a martini one, which this is actually really, really cute. Yeah, I really like the martini one. That one says Paris. Okay, they have their clearance items. Looks like these might be some of the Mother's Day stuff, possibly. Look at the Stitch for $24, red tag, and it comes with the keychains. That's cute. But yeah, the bags aren't really, they're pretty much the same, honestly. This one's for $24. This one's for $12 for the wallet. $32. Those are actually cheaper. And then we still have more clearance items over here. They have this Aldo purse, which is stunning, $28. Yeah, but everything's pretty much the same. Okay, I've never tried these before. There are two, I guess, remove makeup. They're facial cotton for your face, $8.99 from Shiseido. I know Shiseido's a great brand, so they have some here, and they feel really soft too. And they have some facial rollers here for $5.99, and here's one with a gua sha. This is for $10. This is cute. I like the packaging on this. $6.99. Alright, so they actually have the conditioner that I like to use, Kristen S. This one's for $7.99. If you go to Walmart right now, it's for $11.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, because that is the conditioner, right? Let me see. Yeah, conditioner, and they also have this other stuff, curl leave-in cream, $7.99. I wish they had the big bottle. Okay, what's this back here? Oh look, moisture mask for $10. I wonder if this smells like the conditioner, because the conditioner smells really good. Okay, this one does smell like the conditioner, which if you know the expensive perfume by Rado, Mojave Ghost, these smell like it, so I absolutely love that. I just wish that a shampoo would smell like it. What's this? Deep Treat Mask, $7.99. I love how this is set up. It looks so pretty. How they just like have it so organized. Like, oh, look at these with the macaroons on top. That's so cute. They have this Cocoa Vanilla for $6.99. This is all their like radiance, shimmer, body care stuff. They have this Perfect Marc Jacobs for $14.99, a travel size. Not sure if this one smells good, but they have it here, so. Then they have the Sand & Fog Jasmine Cedarwood. Smells okay. This is nice. They have the Sand & Fog hand creams. This is for $10. Sweet almond, vanilla, coconut, and eucalyptus mint. And then they have this one here too. California Beach House Rose and shea butter. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think this is supposed to be a dupe for Sol de Janeiro. This is Barcelona Bliss is the brand for $7.99. I have a bunch of Nivea stuff here, like a lot. Look at this. I love the packaging of this. The neutrals. Love that. Let's see how much it is. $6.99. Okay, they added some more pajamas. It says Cool Moms Club for $16.99 from Better Together, and it comes with the shorts. It's really soft. And they have this one with like some flamingos. Not my favorite, but $20 from Crafted by Mahogany. It comes with some shorts. Have some Juicy here. I like this little set. This is for $20. Let me show y'all some of the shorts that they have out now, like the boxer shorts. These are so cute. And it's a 2-pack with bows and cowboy boots for $12.99. They have Happily Gray for $14.99. And it's a 2-pack as well. This one has like teddy bears on it. Their coffee mugs is looking very empty. They did have a whole bunch of Mother's Day coffee mugs, so I'm guessing they either moved them to the front. Oh, look at how cute this is. If you have somebody that's graduating, $7.99. That is so cute. Excuse me while I succeed. That's so cute. Okay, what's this? Italian party pack, 6 slim can sleeves, and 6 drink markers. That is so cute. Let's toast. La Dolce Vita and Ciao. And then here's like the little sleeve things that go on top of the drink for $12.99. That's so cool. Oh, look at this one. Okay, I might have to get this for Mermaid Social Club. Let's toast on the coast. It comes 6 of them for the baby shower when we go to the beach. Oh, this is a good idea, right? Maybe. Drinking buddies. Shoot, do I get one? I just don't know. I might have to get one of these. Because afterwards we're gonna go to the beach, so it just kind of like makes sense. Okay. You're welcome. I'm not sure. I have these plates there. I think they're plastic. $5.99 or acrylic. They have the smaller plates, the bigger plates, and then these little bowls. This is so cute. These trays. Oh, this is so pretty. $7.99 for this one. And then this one is $10 for the bigger one. So cute. They're putting out all their 4th of July decor. Oh my god, look at this big pineapple. Wait, what is this for? What is this? It's $130. I have no clue what it's for. That's so funny. Like storage? That's wild. Oh, they have this. I've seen somebody buy this and then make a water fountain out of it. This is for $24.99. Oh, I kind of want to try it. Like, how cute would that be to put like a little fountain up front? I don't need it, but it'd just be so cute. Like a cute little serenity of a fountain. Huh. I don't know what to do. It's like the perfect size too. I'm still can't get over this big ass pineapple over here. Oh, I don't know. Y'all, I can't even with my cart. Let's look at this mirror over here. Decorative mirror. This is for $12.99. That's not bad. Okay, let's take a look at these blankets real quick. They have this bow one from Cupcakes and Cashmere for $24.99. And then have this one, a lighter pink, same price. They also have this swan one, Nicole Miller, $24.99. Honestly, I need to get out of here. I'm finding, oh, I forgot, I came here for something. Oops. Let's see, I'm looking for the kids like headphone to block out sound, and of course I don't see them. do not see them at all. So they must have sold out of them. I found this dress. It's white and blue, but then at the bottom it has like the town. Not sure what town, but let's see how much this is. For 30. Okay, I really like this dress. It's like almost a linen material, and then it has like this bow tie up in the back. It's really pretty for 20 bucks. Oh, it says it has pockets too. What brand is this? Here's the brand. Huh. Should I get another dress? Here's this halter dress. I really like it, but it doesn't have a lining, so it might be a little see-through. It's for $16.99. It's from the brand See You Monday, but it's really pretty. And then we have this halter dress as well, which is super cute. $16.99 from the brand See You Monday. It's actually really cute. Alright girlies, so that's going to be everything for today. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.